For years, buying a folding smartphone was it was basically like eating at an incredibly strict, exclusive restaurant.
Not called the chef's tasting menu.
Right. You sit down and the chef brings out this tasting menu with one, maybe two sizes, and they're like, "This is our vision of the future. Eat what we give you."
Yeah, you just had to adapt to it.
Exactly. You had to tailor your everyday habits to fit the hardware, not the other way around. But overnight, it seems like Samsung just flipped the table. They threw out that entire tasting menu and handed us this massive all-you-can-eat buffet.
It really is a complete architectural shift. I mean, we're looking at a tech landscape that has fundamentally pivoted, from this rigid prefix approach to a highly fragmented a la carte ecosystem.
Welcome to today's deep dive. We are unpacking a massive bombshell from Samsung's 2026 Galaxy Unpacked event. I mean, everyone expected them to announce 2 foldable phones.
Like they always do.
Right. But instead, they announced 3. They just completely shattered their historical lineup. So our mission today is to really explore the impact of variety in the new Galaxy series. Instead of this one-size-fits-all foldable, we are staring down a menu of choices designed for wildly different types of people.
Yeah, and when you synthesize all the source material from the event, Samsung's strategy really rests on 3 distinct pillars.
Okay, lay them out for us.
So first, there's just unprecedented variety in the